Hey everyone, ever wish your documentation could read your user's mind? With BetterDocs' advanced AI feature, you can now suggest real-time, highly relevant documentation on your WordPress site in just a few clicks. Let's begin. Before we jump in, make sure you have BetterDocs, BetterDocs Pro, and an OpenAI API key ready to go. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, navigate to BetterDocs, and click on Settings. From here, go to the Layout tab and select Single Doc. Next, click on the Related Docs option. Toggle on Show Related Docs, and then enable Real-Time Related Docs to let the AI start working its magic. You can turn on user behavior tracking options like page views, scroll depth, and search queries to make the recommendations highly relevant. Choose your preferred OpenAI model. We recommend GPT-4o Mini for optimal performance. You can customize your preferences, such as the maximum number of recommendations to display, tracking batch sizes, or the number of interactions collected before they are sent to your server. Also, set the batch interval, or the longest time in seconds the feature will wait before sending collected data, regardless of how much has been gathered. You can also enable or disable the anonymized IP address to support privacy best practices and regulations such as GDPR. Set the data retention in days to set how long tracking data is kept before it is automatically deleted. Once everything looks good, click Save to apply your changes. Now, let's add these recommendations to an actual article. Open your documentation editor, scroll to where you want them, click the plus icon, and insert the BetterDocs related docs block. Scroll down to the BetterDocs settings panel below the content area. Switch to the Related Docs tab and click Generate Suggestions. The AI will automatically pull up the best matching documents based on your content. Simply click the check marks to instantly add them. On the right-hand panel, you can choose layouts, customize headings, adjust margins, and change colors to completely match your site's branding. When you're finished, hit Save, and there you have it. Your readers will now see personalized, real-time related documentation links at the bottom of the page, keeping them engaged longer. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.